Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my video. Today I will share you about morphemic cutting analysis. But I will introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Lasmi Imawan with last ID number 35. There are three examples of words. The first, disagreement. Second, unhappiness. And the last word is misinterpretation. Disagreement from root agreement on 1400 century, mutual understanding among person, also of things, mutual conformity from Old French agreement, known of action from agree to please, see agree, attested in English by early 15th century as formal or documentary agreement, terms of settlement. Jadi agreement ini berarti saling percaya, saling mempercayai. Analysis of disagreement. Disagreement is a noun composed of three morphemes. There are three morphemes on word disagreement. The first morpheme is the prefix dis, which originates from Latin. It functions as a bond morpheme, meaning it cannot stand alone and its meaning is not or opposite of. The second morpheme is the root agree, coming from Old French agréer, which is based on Latin et and cretus as a root. Agree is a verb and means to have the same opinion. Agree is a verb and means to have the same opinion. The third morpheme is the suffix man, derived from Latin mentum, which forms nouns from verbs. It acts as a bond morpheme that means the action or result of. Thus, the root word of disagreement is agree, and the word overall refers to the state or result to not having the same opinion. And then word unhappiness from root happy, late 14th century, lucky, favored by fortune, being in advantageous circumstance and prosperous, of event turning out well, from help, change, fortune, plus way, sense of very glad, first record late 14th century, meaning greatly pleased and content. Word analysis of unhappiness. Unhappiness is also a noun made up for three morphemes. The first morpheme is the prefix "an", which comes from Old English. It is a bond morpheme meaning not or opposite of. The second morpheme is the root happy, which traces back to Middle English. It derives from "hap", meaning change or good fortune, combined with the adjective forming suffix "way". As a root, happy is an adjective that means feeling or showing pleasure or contentment. Merasa senang, merasa menunjukkan perasaan senang. The final morpheme is the suffix "ness" from Old English "ness". This bond morpheme forms abstract nouns and means state or quality of. The root word here is happy, and unhappiness describe the state of not being happy. Jadi kalau happy itu merasa senang, kalau unhappiness berarti kebalikannya. And last word is misinterpretation from root interpret. Late 14th century expound the meaning of render clear of explicit. Misinterpret berarti menafsirkan. From Old French interpreter, explain, translate, 13th century, and directly from Latin interpretary, explain, expound, understand. Analysis of misinterpretation. A misinterpretation is a noun that consists of four morphemes. The first morpheme is the prefix mis, originating from Old English, functioning as a bond morpheme meaning wrongly or incorrectly. The second morpheme is the prefix inter, derived from Latin meaning between or among. The third morpheme is pred, found within the root interpret, based on Latin interpretary. From inter plus pred, meaning to explain. As a root, pred carries the meaning to explain or translate and comes from a verbal base. The fourth morpheme is the suffix ation, from Latin atio, ationis, which is a noun forming suffix meaning the action or process of. Thus, the root word of misinterpretation is interpret, and the entire word refers to the action or process of interpreting something incorrectly. Thank you for attention, for your very good attention. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.